So guys, paalis na kami. Let's get Alba's haircut. Medyo nagiging sunny na siya compared sa kanina, pero kasi kanina kasi maaga pa naman talaga. Even now, it's only 10:45 guys. So akala ko talaga talagang mag-i-stay cloudy siya. Natakot ako baka malaglag ng camera. Anyway, we are here. We are here. So a lot of things that I need to do today. Not a lot, but a few things. Get Alba's haircut, do a wee bit of groceries kasi walang food sa bahay guys, and also get Alba's shoes, get him a hat for nursery kasi medyo sunny na guys. May hat naman siya sa bahay kaso magkakasakit guys. Si David may sakit nung mga nakaraan and until now meron pa din pero nakakapasok naman siya sa work. So yes, si David may sakit. So uso ang sakit dito guys, para siyang COVID symptoms or flu symptoms. And feeling ko medyo nag-i-start na yung sa akin. Si Alba hopefully hindi siya magtuloy. Pero si Alba kasi tagal ng sinisipon nito eh. Feeling ko allergy. Guys, nakauwi na kami. Nagpalit lang ako ng yung pantulog ko kanina kasi kakain kami. So ayoko madumihan yung panglabas ko na damit. So anyway, umuwi kami kaagad kasi nga may emergency sa may cold blue sa swimming lesson ni Alba. So hindi kami naka-proceed sa pinaka lesson kasi nung pinapasok kami tapos na. So na-held up kami sa reception. So anyway, we're home. Mag-grocery sana muna ako kanina. Kaso di ba nagpagupit nga si Alba? So ang plano ko sana nagpagupit siya sa swimming na yung ligo niya. Eh, hindi naman natuloy yung swimming. So, ngayon, anyway, umuwi muna kami kasi kakain muna kami ng lunch. Ako wala pang kain. First meal ko to. Si Alba nag-breakfast kanina before we leave. For swimming. So, anyway, ayun. Kakain muna kami. Ang ulam ko ay adobong puset and meron kaming na-air fry na pork na natira nung isang araw. Isang araw or kahapon? Isang araw, kasi kahapon kami kumain dito eh. So, yun. Ano pa ba? And, plano ko sana, di ba nga, bilan siya ng shoes today. And, mag-grocery. So, anyway, try natin kung makapag-grocery pa tayo. And, bili ng shoes ni Alba sa town. Ganyan natin. Let's see. Anyway, guys, chaotic. Sobrang chaotic nung araw. Feeling ko lang. Guys, nakauwi na kami. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi we were rushing and medyo wala lang. Nagmamadali. So, nakapag-grocery ako pero onti lang. This is not gonna last a full week. Pero we'll see kasi meron pa akong isda sa freezer and may prawns, marami pa. So, anyway, mushroom and truffle, mezzolini. So, okay. Ito, ano siya, para siyang pasta. Pasta ba tawag sa ganito? May laman yung loob niya. May mushroom and cheese. Yung loob. So, ito. So, 1 meal na yan, guys. Garlic bread. So, kapartner ng pasta natin. Pig's liver. Hindi ko alam kung ito yung nilalagay sa menudo. Pero, bumili ako. Cucumber. Wala sila nung mini cucumber na kinakain ni Alba. So, yan na lang yung kinuha ko, guys. Hand wash for here. This, living room for kitchen. And then, malaking pork. Guys, malaking pork na to. Ilang kilo ba to? 1.7 kilogram. So, to, malaki na siya. At, ang gagawin ko dito is menudo, tapos pangsahog sa pinakbet, and then, ano pa ba yung isa kong sinabi kanina? Yun lang, menudo, pangsahog sa pinakbet. Yun na, yun. For 2. So, this one, guys, is sauce ng pasta. Tomato and cheese. Yan, tomato and cheese pasta siya, guys. And then, onions, yan. Aubergine. So, partner natin to sa isda na nasa freezer natin. Carrots, guys. Panglagay sa menudo. Red pepper. This one, grapes. Fruits ni Alba to. Or fruits namin. Ano nga to? Kalabasa. Pero hindi siya, hindi siya yung katulad nung sa atin siya. This one, sweet corn. Ayan, pangdagdag sa ano natin, masustansyang pagkain. And then, the last one, guys, strawberries. Binuksan na ni Alba sa car kasi hindi na siya nakaintay. And then, kahapon bumili din ako ng bread, tapos ng banana. Ano ba bumili ko kahapon? Bread, banana. Yun lang ba? Bread, banana. Parang hindi ko maalala kung anong binili ko kahapon. Toilet roll. Yun pala binili ko kahapon. So, anyway, ito na. Natin strawberries. So, lalagay ko dito kasi, guys, baka baunin namin ito. Or baunin. Baka gusto kasi ni Alba. Ano siya, guys? And then, nagmamadali ako, guys. Kasi may football si Aiden. So, paalis na rin kami soon. Here, grapes. Sugasan na din natin ang grapes natin. Parang makain. So, lahat to, guys, 27 pounds yung napamili ko. So, ilang meals to? 1, 2, 3 meals. Kung yung pork medyo madami, baka gawin kong munggo, ginisang munggo yung isa. Or, ano pa ba pwedeng gawin dyan? Or, baka gawin kong, hindi ko alam. Isipin ko pa. So, ayan, guys. Ano nabili natin? Kamatis, mga ganong bagay. Meron pa ako nun sa ref, guys. So, hindi na ako bumili ng kamatis. Tsaka bawang. Meron pa kami. So, anyway, lagay ko na to sa ref, guys, kasi aalis na kami. Sakto, guys, dumating ang Amazon parcel natin. So, i-open natin siya. I'm sure one of this is pang shampoo. Okay, shampoo siya. Pang ano siya, guys, dandruff treatment. Kasi grabe talaga yung dandruff ko. Grabe talaga. As in, walang katulad. So, titry natin kung effective siya. And then, more toilet roll. Sana pala, inantay ko na lang ito. Anyway, naka-subscribe and save kasi to, guys, sa Amazon. Pero, hindi na kasi antay. Kasi nga, nung isang araw pa kami walang toilet paper. So, 24 na roll siya. Actually, mas mura pala talaga siya sa Amazon. Kasi yung nabili ko kahapon, 5 pounds for 12 pieces. This one is 8 pounds, 24. So, mas mura pala talaga siya. Naubos na, guys, yung chicken nuggets namin. So, nagpapadali na kami kasi nga alis na kami. Malilate kami kay Aiden. Malilate kami sa football ni Aiden. So, anyway, nagluluto lang ako ng dinner nila kasi si Alba, habang nag-aantay kami kay Aiden, pakakainin ko na siya. So, chicken nuggets. Ito sa Asda to. Akala kasi marami pa kami guys, hindi na ako nakabili. 72 na siya na chicken nuggets sa ganyang kalaki. Ubus na. Pero, matagal namin to ginamit guys. Hindi kami every week bumibili niyan or every month. Matagal din to. Ilang buwan din namin tong ginamit. So, again, chicken nuggets, sausage roll, it's for easy meal lang. As much as possible, gusto ko talaga na nilulutuan or namin, nilulutuan si Alba ng homemade food or may sustansya na pagkain. This one is sausage roll. Ayan, apat ang laman niya, naubos na din over whatever weeks or months na yan na ginagamit namin. Anyway, ayun. Nilutuan ko sila 2 sausage roll and 5 nuggets. So, maghati na sila guys. So, paunan. I-ready natin to guys. Ito yung gusto ko yung ganito. Yung may compartment. Iba-ibang siya, para dito malagay, may iba-iba akong malagay at hindi sila magsalo-salo. Anyway, lagyan natin fruits and yung chicken nuggets lagay ko dito. O yung sausage roll. Depende kung alin ang magkasya, guys. Lagay natin to. Ako guys, nag-dinner na ako. So, ayan guys. And then, dito yung nuggets. Good morning, guys! Anong oras na ba? I think mga 7:30.
That's my water bottle. I was having that.
It's 7:30 na, guys. So, anyway. So, yes, guys. Pagigising lang namin. Kanina. Siguro ako maaga simula umalis si David, parang nagising-gising na din ako. Anyway, I'm making breakfast for Alba. So, we will have toast.
Mommy,
with
I found it. I found one.
Oh, thank you. With Maltesers spread. And then, I will make... I will make menudo for myself. Or for not for myself, but for breakfast. Yun nga ang kakainin ko. Before kami mag-football ni Alba. So, anyway, tinatapos ko lang yung mga washing guys na dapat kahapon pa natapos. Parang hindi na naubos talaga yung labahin, no? Anyway, ayun nga. Malapit naman matapos guys. And then, I need to do wash the washing machine clean.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running.
Ito na yung ingredients natin, guys. Liver, pork, carrots, potatoes. Tapos, ano ba bang kulang? Yun na. Tapos, mga onions, kamatis na lang.
Mom, come back.
Well, kain tayo, guys. Luto na ang menudo. Kompleto ricado tayo. Ay, may pepper. May atay. Wait! I'm coming! Kompleto tayo, guys. Ha! Sarap! Kain, guys. Nakagusan din ako ng mga plato. Wala nang hugasin sa sink. And then, last laundry, mga basahan. And then, i-clean natin ang washing machine. So, kain muna ako, guys. And then, mag-ready ako. Kami for Albas Food. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Hello, guys. We are ready. Wait lang, guys. Kunin ko lang ang aking AirPods. Saan ang AirPods ko, girl? So, ba ang AirPods ko? Ready na kami. To show you guys quickly my outfit. Hindi pala abot. Nasuot ko na to, guys. Isa lang siya, diretso. Jumpsuit yata ang tawag dito. And then, wide leg sa baba. And then, ayan. Tinanggal ko yung lashes ko kagabi, guys. Natanggal yung one part. So, anyway, let's go.
Two hearts running wild.
Guys, nakauwi na ang mga Disney princess.
Mama, hold that. Hold that.
No, you put it on the floor and then you do that.
No, I just needed it that.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ah! Watch your head.
Do it again. So I needed that. Wait. Oh, here, take it. Here.
1, 2, 3. It's doable, guys. Nakauwi na kami and nakakatuwa kasi nakascore siya ng 4 goals. 4 or 5 yata. Anyway, linisin ko lang tong washing para mairan ko siya. Kasi lilinisin natin. Alinisin ko. Iyaano ko to, guys.
You won! You lose, you lose.
Ito, antibacterial spray, guys. Linisin natin siya. Can you put the lights on, please?
What time?
Put the light on, please. I just need to do this. Come on, Abba, please.
And then the hot cross. No, that. Elsa. That.
ko alam. Ang first choice ko sana sa park, sa Falkirk. Kaso, ko alam guys, kasi outdoor kasi yun guys. Medyo malamig din kasi sa labas. And yung next choice ko is ano na lang sana siya. Anong tawag dito? So, play. Para indoor. Pero hindi ko kasi alam guys. Kasi nga, kano din gastos dun guys. Malaki-laki din ang gastos sa soft play guys. Kapag nag-soft play tayo. So, magkano ang entrance? Nasa, sabihin mo ng, ano kaming dalawa. 15 yata kami or 16. Parang ganun. Pero we'll see na lang guys. We'll see. Today is Sunday, so it will be really busy today. So we're gonna try and find for a place to sit as well. So final decision is Adventure Planet siya guys. Yung Adventure Planet dito sa amin is soft play siya guys. May mga inflatables slide and bouncy, parang mga jump lang mostly. So dun siya naglaro nung nakaraan. Hindi naman nakaraan, parang 2 months ago na yata huling punta namin dun. So ayun, dun na lang natin siya dalhin. Magdadala na lang ako ng drinks. Magdadala ako ng fruits pang snacks. And ayun, we'll see guys. Ay naku, 2 hours kasi yun per session. So, ano na ba? 1. So, mga 1:30. Let's say 1:30 dun tayo. 2:30, 3:30. So, mga ganong oras siguro.
Wearing shorts.
Nandito na kami guys. Because you're gonna take them off anyway. Because you're gonna go into the soft play. Nandito na kami guys.
What a money!
Ayan, Adventure Planet. So,
What a money!
anyway guys, I'll see you guys after 2 hours. Hello guys, we are home. Anyway, dinala ko si Alba sa soft play, diba? And then, which is quite good guys na hindi siya ganun ka-busy. For a Sunday ha, ina-expect ko walang parking, talagang sobrang busy. Pero nagulat ako kasi hindi siya ganun ka-busy. Pero baka kaninang umaga busy kasi hapon na din kami. Ano oras na ba kami doon? 2 o'clock na kami. 2, and then yung session is 2 hours. So hanggang 4, which is now is 4:45. On our way home.
Don't put that in the fridge. It's already cracked.
I can't crack it. It's in here.
But don't put that in the plate.
Okay, well I'll put it in the box then. In here. You can eat it here, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put it in the table then. So on our way home, yeah, just get a wipes and wipe your face. It's in the couch, the wipes. So on our way home, sabi ni Alba, Mama, can you buy me McDonald's? McDonald's, hindi siya McDonald's, McDonald's.
Hey, then the slide hurt me.
The slide hurt you?
Yeah. It that.
Like, come on. So binilang ko siya ng chicken nuggets, dirty.
Where's my drink?
Oh, your drink is in the car. I'll get your drinks. So,
I'll get up.
Chicken nuggets, nagpabili siya with chips and chocolate milkshake. So, ang normally na binibigay ko kay Alba ay Happy Meal. Pero recently kasi guys, hindi na kasya yung Happy Meal sa kanya. Malakas na talaga siya kumain guys. Talagang pang normal na tao na siya. Normally, ako, hindi ko nauubos ang chips. Pero siya, nauubos niya talaga guys. So, ayun guys, ako magsasaing kasi ang kakainin ko yung menudo na niluto ko kaninang umaga. Nakakapagod, grabe. Pero at least, naipasyal lang bata, nailabas ang bata, yun ang mahalaga guys. Hindi naman, kung ako lang, sa bahay lang ako. Pero kasi ang bata, sayang kasi. At saka, May holiday, May holiday dito sa amin. So, Monday and Tuesday walang pasok. So, ayun. So, walang nursery. Pero ako back to work ako ng Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then si David, off ng Tuesday, Wednesday. So, ayun. magsaing na tayo kasi para makakain na din ako hanggat maaga pa, guys. Parang hindi pa nga ako ganun kagutom eh. Pero, sige na lang kasi alam ko magugutom ako ng mga bandang mga late na, mga 8, 9, ganun. Tapos, alam mo yun, yung pag kumain ka, diretso tulog na. Parang mas hindi healthy yun, no? Parang ngayon na lang ako kakain para maano, may kilos-kilos pa akong magawa. Para hindi naman ako yung pagkakain tulog na lang. Ang lakas kasi makaano, laki ng chin din. Pero dati ganun talaga gawain ko, guys. Pero ngayon tinatry ko na talaga na hindi na yung pag-late na, tinitiis ko na lang. Pero nagbababukas ko na lang, guys. So, ayun. Nasa na yung pang bigas. Saan ko lang tong mga plato na pinagkainan ko pala ito kanina. Para, yun na lang, wala na masyadong gawain. Clear natin ang kitchen. After nito, guys, maliligo lang din kami ni Alba. And try ko i-edit yung Blackpool video natin na ang tagal na. Hindi naman ang tagal. Last week, 2 weeks ago. So, yun ang i-try natin i-edit. Parang recently kasi, guys, mas active ako sa Facebook Reel. Doon ako mostly nag-upload. Recently lang, guys. Recently lang. Mga past week yata. Mas easy kasi yung mga short clips. Tomorrow sana maaraw, guys. Para mailabas natin si Alba sa park. Gusto ko siyang dalhin sa park. Talagang hindi natigil, no? Hindi talaga tayo natigil, guys. Kasi ganito talaga. Ayoko na nasasayang ang araw as much as possible. Gusto ko talaga may ginagawa. Kasi guys, bihira lang pag warm ng weather dito. Kapag winter, hindi naman na kami lumalabas masyado. So, ayun. Try natin siyang ilabas tomorrow. We'll see. Kasi pala si David may work pala. Kala ko off si David bukas. May work pala siya.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the...
We are done. Nakakatawa kasi nakakaayos na tayo ng very light. Para mamaya, kukunin ko na lang yung damit sa labas and I might fold the clothes. I might fold the clothes later. So, pasok natin itong mga shoes. Alba, are you eating your food?
strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Guys. Can I come in? Bye-bye. I'm going away.